Alright, YouTube fam. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I was about to say happy Friday. It's not Friday. Happy Thursday though. Last session of the week. Last session of the week today. Data settings slow. What's this? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let me play this here. How is everyone? What's everyone saying in the chat? Popping off already. Look at this. All the W's now. Look at that. Amazing. 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 How's it going? Hey Blake, what's going on, man? Hope you're doing well. What time? It's only 1:45. Jumped on a little bit early here. Didn't realize it's only 1:45. I just realized. Let me just enable this. There we go. Cool. Just gonna get Zoom going here. Remember, guys, last trading day of the week, which also means pretty much last trading day of the month as well. Remember, you got March rolling over on Sunday, but it's a bank holiday tomorrow and a bank holiday on Monday. Yeah, so you got the March close coming up today, which will be interesting. Be very, very interesting. Let me just invite Zoom. Gold ended up having a big push up. Big push up on gold yesterday. I'm surprised to see it push up so much, but yeah, it ended up pushing up pretty nice. London. What's up, Aaron? AJ, what's going on, man? It's only a small step, but past phase 1 at FTMO. A cigar and a whiskey? Yeah, good man, yeah. Good job, Blake. Good work, man. Absolutely. Good job. Yeah, so you got bank holiday today. No, sorry, bank holiday tomorrow. Bank holiday on... Let me have a look. It's quite a lot. You got like quite a lot of bank holidays coming up this week on chart. Where are we? Here. So we look at the calendar. We got Australian bank holiday, New Zealand bank holiday tomorrow, European bank holiday, Canada bank holiday. No US bank holiday, which is pretty weird. There's no oh yeah, we said it. Yeah, we said that the other day. There's no US bank holidays, and obviously you got Easter Monday as well. And look at that, daylight savings again. Too many. That's what I'm saying. Too many people are taking too much time off. No more bank holidays. We don't like bank holidays. We used to like bank holidays when we used to work in the job, but we don't like bank holidays anymore. We want to be here on the markets, making that bank, not having fucking bank holidays. Yeah, loads of bank holidays. Goldie's still pushing higher here. What's up, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Zoom guys are joining. What's going on? Jumping on a bit early here. We'll break it down. Fancy MNQ buys? Let's have a quick look. We'll break down Goldie in a second. Move this out of the way. Let's have a look here. NQ buys. Well, holding below here for now. Oh, my mic. Is it muted? Wait, my screen's down. There we go. Cool. Yeah, you may get some buys. Looks pretty choppy right now. Yesterday, yeah, to be fair, yesterday closed, grabbed the lows, closed back bullish yesterday. Yeah, you could see it push up a little bit more. I think that's too crazy of a call. Whoa, I almost just built the whole entire shake. We'll start breaking it down soon. Just wait for everyone to join in, and then we'll start looking at the charts here. Goldie had a nice dip down, then a nice push up in Asia. Asia had some good volume today. Some very good volume in Asia today. That was so unfortunate to miss them buys, but ended up having a beautiful, lovely push back higher. Afternoon everyone. Hey John, what's going on, man? Welcome back. Welcome back. We've got gold still pushing up a little bit here. Let me get rid of this alert. Missed my alert by a little bit. I'll just let a couple more of the Zoom guys join in, and we'll start taking a look at gold. I'll make sure everyone's in. We'll start on this higher time frame chart down here. Let's have a look at this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Start from scratch here today. See what we got for the day. See if we can get some more London volume. Did London have volume yesterday? What did London do yesterday? Yeah, London had a big push. Around like 9:40 AM London time yesterday, you ended up having a big push. Not too long after we jumped off, actually, gold ended up breaking back above and having a very big push. So I think we jumped off like around here-ish. He ended up breaking back above. Big push. Huge. Oh yeah, it's like a 120 tick 5-minute candle on gold yesterday. At what, 9:40? Yeah, huge. Huge. If anyone else is looking at other stuff today, feel free to let me know now. Once all the Zoom guys are in, we'll start breaking down gold in like 5 minutes. So if you want me to look at anything else, let me know now. We can have a look. Hey man, how's it going?
How you did me so dirty before? I don't even want to look at it today.
Yeah, she's pushing back up. She's pushing.
I took a break even on the 30 break, but I managed it too aggressively and it just ripped like 40 ticks straight to my TP. I was like, typical.
Where were you in from? What, like around here?
I had an entry, hold on, it was 2196.29 into those highs.
29. Oh yeah, nice, yeah. Around there, yeah, nice. Very nice. A few more people joining. Make sure everyone's in. Make sure you guys can hear me all good. But yeah, last day of the week. So last day of the week, last day of the month. So you're either gonna have good volume today or you're gonna chop. So it'll be interesting to see. Usually at month end, you do get some good volume. It can be sometimes weird moves, but sometimes it can actually be good volume. And there is news today as well. Where are we? Thursday. Yeah, you got GDP for the Canadian dollar. Don't really care about that. You got GDP for the US dollar, unemployment claims, home sales, and consumer sentiment. So yeah, you got some decent news. You might get some decent volume here on gold, especially the fact that you're grabbing these daily highs as well. So I reckon we'll be in for a good day. doing so bad. All good, man. All good. Let's have a look. See what. Just whilst we wait. See what top step traders are up to for the day. Where are we? Tilt. You guys can see that. 59% people long right now. 41% short. Oh, short's just picked up a little bit there. It's an interesting level to see if people are going to sell from around here. Let me have a look at this hourly. I think probably grab this one more time. But yeah, you're back round at that 2,200 level on the spot chart on gold. It's a very, very key level. It's a really strong level. Really, really strong level. Fuck. So Aaron loving the content. Thank you, Demo. Thank you, man. I'm good. I'm good, man. I'm good. Alright. I think everyone is here. So I think we'll start breaking it down. Let's have a look. Yeah, pretty much everyone's here.
Recording in progress.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We'll start off on the... We'll actually start off on the weekly, because, you know, we're going to get that weekly close today as well. Current weekly is looking very strong as well. I am very intrigued today to see if we do close back above this level. You know, you're looking very bullish right now, but it also wouldn't surprise me if you start to see this close back below and see that retracement on gold. Even though you have, you know, you've broken above 2150, retested it once, grabbed the lows twice, and now you're pushing back higher. So as it stands right now, this daily is pretty bullish. But the nice thing about gold right now is you can kind of see here for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, and currently now 5 days, you haven't really grabbed any daily lows. And today was always going to push up and re-grab these two highs here, because you have two equal highs, so you're always going to come up and have to need to grab them previous highs. So the fact that you're grabbing these previous daily highs in Asia before European and before the US session could bring in some decent resistance. This is a very, very strong level. 2,200 is a big level on gold. So to start to look for some rejections from here, you know, you look at these, you look at this big rejection here. Like I always say, gold's never just going to drop off one rejection, but that initial rejection is a retail trap for people who jump in short, put their stop loss just above this previous high. So people see this big rejection on gold, they try to take some sells, they put their stop loss just above here, and now they're just now getting squeezed out. So nice to see gold having the retail trap there in the Asian session, and now we kind of want to see if we're gonna start to reject, and if this 4 hour closes back below here, you know, you got sells on gold all the way back down into these regions, and to come down and at least grab these lows. The fuck? We take a look at the, so 4 hour, that's where Asia market open pushed down. So that's the daily bottom wick, re-pushes back bullish, and now you're pushing back higher. We take a look at the hourly here on gold. You know, hourly has just closed bullish. You may fill in this wick first. You may fill in this wick, and then we might start to see that push back down. I also like this area here as a level for price to at least come back down and tap into. So you got two pretty decent liquidity levels, and you know, once you start grabbing these highs closing back below here, that's a 60 tick move, and down into here is a 130 tick move. So although this looks like it's in a pretty tight range, this is actually a very, very nice area. So these are my two little intraday liquidity levels that we can look to manage. My liquidity levels to the highs, they've all been hit. We shared them in Discord this morning. They've all now been hit. I shared in Discord when we were trading up here for price to come down, grab these lows before seeing the buys back up into them highs, and that's pretty much what you've done. You fulfilled that whole entire range from down below here up into these highs was about 120 tick move. So on the Forex chart, yeah, I analyze on the Forex chart, but we execute on the spot chart here. Sorry, analyze on the spot chart, execute on the futures chart. You have to always, even when I'm trading futures, I still analyze on the spot chart because it grabs highs and lows more. I don't like trading the futures chart. I just do it the exact same. And if I take trades, like if I take a buy on the high, I just put it above wherever the candle is here on the futures. So that's my man, yeah. If you're new trading gold futures, just still analyze on the spot chart here. If you try and look at the futures chart, it just doesn't look anywhere near as nice as the currency, especially when like currency will grab these highs. Sometimes futures won't, and you could actually miss a trade. In this example, I believe it has, but sometimes futures chart could leave a perfect double top if you're waiting for it to get grabbed and you're not watching the currency and the currency's grabbed it, you'll miss the trade. So my new levels today are here and to drive back down into these areas again. That was that push that we saw in London, 9 AM London time yesterday. You saw an amazing, huge push off the back of that trend line here. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches and bounced off it, which I was very, very surprised to see such a big push after bouncing off this trend line for so many times. But gold does gold, and gold can do whatever the hell it wants sometimes, as long as you don't get trapped in it or you keep your losses small. If you tried to short this, accept the loss and move on. I didn't take any shorts yesterday personally, but it did end up having a. I didn't take any of the longs either, but it did end up, breaking out of this little range we were watching and just had an insane push to the upside. With the way that this hourly has just closed bullish, to see price re-break the highs and come and fill in this wick, that's actually still like a 20 tick move, which is actually quite nice. So drop down to the 30. 30 did grab some previous lows there, closed above. That 30 rejected this support, closed back above as well. So are we going to see this 30 also start to flip bullish? 5 minutes currently grabbing some lows here. You're going to see a nice quick early scalp here on gold. Take a look at the 15. If the 15 comes and grabs previous 15 lows, I will look for a buy on the break of the high as a potential wick fill. It would only be a wick fill into there for like 18 ticks, because you have grabbed all of the highs. The amount of people who would have been short here, and short here, all of their stops would have been above this high. So now that you have grabbed that high, we do have to be open to downside. The only reason I am looking for a potential wick fill here is with the way that that hourly did close. But that liquidity grab there was very nice, and you can see how nice it was, because as you grab the highs, you then rejected like an instant 50 ticks, which is huge. But I believe all retails have been squeezed out of any early sells on gold. So if this hourly is just a fake out, then we'll absolutely look for the downside. Don't tempt me. Obviously the hourly has closed bullish, but the hourly also hasn't really grabbed anything. So it also wouldn't surprise me, not that I'm gonna try and predict it, but it also wouldn't surprise me if this hourly does close back below this area and this is nothing but an hourly fake out. Which, if that's the case, that's fine. We'll react to that and then take the sells, and then the 4 hour will also be respecting these highs here, because it's a huge 4 hour level. This is kind of the area I have been looking all week on gold for this left shoulder, this head, and this right shoulder, and it actually gave a decent drop down here, but it's kind of come up again, and then maybe then we can see that push back down into these areas down here, because that's going to be my overall target. Whether we get that today, you got GDP, you got unemployment claims, you got home sales, consumer sentiment. You got like what, 1, 2, 3, 4 high impact news folders today. So could it give it the push? Yeah, possibly. Especially now that you've grabbed all daily highs. If you start closing, back above these levels, could you take it back up into here? Yeah, definitely. I'm not opposed to that. I would just be surprised to see that, but also I'm surprised to see this. I think if you're going to see a push back up into here, there's a high chance before that you're going to see a pretty decent bottom wick before potentially pushing higher. And if you're going to see that decent bottom wick, then amazing. That'll be your trade, and that's what you'll be taking advantage of. So let's see. We're only six minutes in here. Sure, it's fake out. Probably like a 30 close, maybe. It's an hourly's close bullish, so ideally you want to see an hourly closure back below. It's a strong push. That's why I'm not opposed to taking some longs first. You're currently grabbing previous 15 lows as well. How's the 5 minute looking here? Yeah, 5 minutes still quite far away from anything of interest. Good day, Aaron. Hey, man. What's going on? Manual lockout. Oh, what's that? No, don't do that. No. That's crazy. You can do a manual lockout on Top Step X. I've never seen that button before. Joe did that. Oh no, really? I've just seen that. I've never seen that before. Yeah, you click it and then it tells you before. Yeah, I just click no cancel. Yeah. Shorts are picking up here. I mean, you could take a 15 fake out, to be fair. If you get a 15 closure back below here, I'll definitely consider that a fake out. A nice strong bearish close, I'll top wick and look to play it down. Because this is a very nice area to come and grab. Protect on, yeah, it's a strange thing to have. About 2 days ago, yeah, make your money then hit the button. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea, to be fair. I quite like that, actually. Yeah, make your money and then just hit it. It locks you out. That's pretty smart. Yeah, it's not bad. That's actually not a bad idea. Or if you feel like you're going on tilt, tap out and come back tomorrow. I quite like that, actually. And it kind of gives you a pre-warning as well, so at least you don't like click it once and you're automatically out. Like giving yourself a ban for the bogeys. Yeah, I quite like that actually. That's quite smart. That's quite smart. And sniper, yes sir. What day is it? Thursday today. We've had a trade on Monday, trade on Tuesday. No trades yesterday. Maybe we'll get a trade today. Where's the journal? About to wrap up March as well. March on gold has been just an absolutely insane. Probably one of the most. Let's have a look here. Have a look at this monthly. Probably the strongest months you've seen on gold since back in October. How much volume did you have in October? In October you had almost 2,000. Here you've had almost 1,800. Yeah. Which is an incredible amount of volume, absolutely incredible. Yeah, you click it twice. It gives you two. You click it once, then you click it again. It's just like, yeah, you have to read it. You must have literally a big fat red button saying yes, lock me out. Silly Joe. What a lad. Yeah. If they get a strong bearish 15 close here, top wick, I would probably take a 15 fake out. Makes sense. You've grabbed the highs. You close back below. You've got a decent downside target here and down here. This is the reason I didn't take these buys up today, because you never re-grabbed these lows. I didn't take this. What do you look for in equal highs and lows? Just the wicks. Yeah, it has to be wicks like this. But you just look at it as like an area of resistance. Like most retail traders will see it as the resistance from like here, where my line is. They'll take their shorts there, put their stop loss just above this previous high. Looking for this huge play down. And they get stopped out. And here again, where you take more shorts here. Stop loss either above here or above here. Stopped out again. How long we got to this? 15. 3 minutes. We get a nice 15 close here. I will look for some sells down into this support here. It is actually going to look quite nice. Previous 15 there closed with no bottom wick. Wicked out the lows. Instantly push back up. Doji pushing back up again. I love giving prospects to markets. That button is a godsend. Yeah, so yeah, I've just seen it just now. I was just like, what the hell is that? But yeah, it is actually a pretty smart idea. You probably, you know, if I have a good trading day, it's not a bad idea to use that. Same as when Top Step has the rules of when you hit your daily max loss limit, you're out for the day. You don't lose the challenge, you're just locked out for the day. I also think that's a fucking great rule. I know a lot of professional traders that also do that as well. You know, it's easy for us to say that we can that we will do that, but it's so easy just to keep trading. If you have something that actually locks you out, yeah, I think it can be good. Okay, got a big move up last night. Volume's too strong, couldn't resist. Yeah, nice Ben, nice. Yeah, amazing push up yesterday. Not long after we jumped off. A very nice push. Not sure what time frame you use. I'll use the closure on the 15. I'll use the 5 minute to enter. So as long as this 15 just doesn't come all the way down here and smash all these lows, at any next top wick, we'll use the 5 minute and look to take this for another 20-25 ticks back lower. So 15 closure, 5 minute for the entry.
Aaron, why do you find all those little lows
These ones?
more of a threat than the lows it's currently taking?
Only because you didn't, like, you kind of came so close, like 1, 2, 3 times here, like these 3. I mean, you'll probably see some sort of bounce from here, but I still think, if you do reject from here, I think a lot of people will probably be trying to jump in longs here, stop loss just below here, like this.
Okay, yeah.
So an initial rejection from this area would be nice, because it would pop up to give us an entry to short down into that, yeah. But the fact that you just rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 times here without grabbing these lows before this push up, yeah, I would like to short into that. I think if you start to reject now, people will try take some longs here, and then we'll look to short into that. Let's have a look at this 5. Because 15 is going to close nice and bearish here. 15 is going to close very nice and bearish here. There you have, just grabbed these lows, yeah. That's not nice. Oh, lovely, yeah, amazing entry, man, amazing entry. That's a beautiful entry. I was looking for the same.
It's a good old, each one is on my personal day.
Good man. Alright, let's see, 20 seconds here. Get a little top wick, maybe back into here-ish. Could be enough. Maybe might even come just to there, to be honest, if there's good volume. And we'll look to take this down. Oh, don't reject too much though. And we're looking to target this area here. 5 minute just closed right at our support. $15 has just closed, pretty heavy bearish. You did close right on this support though, which is not ideal, but we'll take the break of the low anyway, so if it doesn't flip and just keeps pushing up, then that's fine, we won't get tagged in. 5 minute, you grab them, as soon as you start grabbing previous 5 highs and rejecting, we will look to take some sells here. We'll look for a sell stop below this low if we do grab these highs here to come and fill in this wick. What would your break-even point be? Take the break at this low. Break-even is at around 9. You're looking to place down for at least 20. Let's see. Just wick out these little highs, and we're going to be looking for some sells here. I'd like it to wick out the highs because that would then be my stop loss. If we flip from here, stop loss will probably be a little bit harder. Maybe like here. I'll put it in once you grab these highs. You come that close to it, I do think you'll grab it. We do have to be mindful that the previous 30 is bullish as well. So as soon as you start filling in these wicks, that's where you'll have to look to manage. Go on, just wick out the highs. Wick out the highs a little bit, Goldie. You'll be looking to play this down to probably around like 21.4.5-ish. Go on, grab the highs, Goldie. What was that? Heading towards... Yeah, definitely, man. Big area here. Oh, you're gonna flip from here. Don't flip from here, Goldie. I don't have any orders in, by the way, guys. I'm not in this. It might drive from here, but without grabbing these 5 highs, I don't really like it. I'm not in this. I'm not in. I really want to see us wick out this previous 5 high. Only so I can get a valid stop loss. Because if we grab the highs and then start breaking lower, then my stop loss will just go above wherever that liquidity high is. Whereas right now, even here's a little bit risky. The safest option is all the way up here. Like, this is a little bit risky. That would probably be management point, but hard stop would actually have to be right here now. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Kind of would have to be honest. These highs here. Grab these highs. You'll be looking to play it back down to here. One more minute. If this 5 doesn't flip, we should be good for a little spike of the highs. And then we can probably actually then look for a sell on a break of the wherever the next low is going to be. You grabbing the highs? Oh. Did you do it? Making us zoom right in here. I don't think so. No, not yet. Not yet. Very close. Very close. The futures chart do it? No, not yet. There you go. Alright. So we're grabbing the previous 5 highs now. So let's see if we start to reject from here. If you start to reject, we'll look for a sell on the break of this previous 5 low. But I mean, this one's going to close in like 50 seconds. So is there much point taking it at the 50 seconds? Not really. How's the 15 looking? Yeah, 15 looks good. You have to manage, like I say, at this low, but you're looking to target much lower. But you will have to manage at the previous 15 low, because you could grab that and start breaking higher. Five is about to close here in 6 seconds. It's not flipping just yet. 2. It's closing quite strong. No, it's alright. Little rejection. Little rejection on the futures as well. Probably going to re-grab some highs. I have nothing in just yet. No orders in just yet. Let me move this out of the way just in case anyone thinks I do. Good morning. Hey Ross, what's going on, man? What's up, man? What's up? %56 people short, 44% people long. Average short price 16.7. Some snipes there. 16.7. Yeah,
Aaron, that last 5, do you consider that a grab then? 'Cause that's exactly it. Go to the data window and look at the candles. It says the high of those 2 candles are exactly the same.
Yeah, that's crazy. Fucking hell, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I would class that, to be fair. I think that could be enough. I think that could be enough. So the 15 is currently reflipping back bearish here. Take a look at the 15. Is this going to be enough? Stream is delayed. Yeah, by maybe like 5 seconds. If that. There's no actual delay set on it. But there will be a, I assume there would be like a 5-second delay or something. Oh yeah, 15 flip. Where was the 15 flip? There. Yeah, I think that was enough of a grab. It got grabbed on the futures as well. Even though I like to see it grabbed in the currency, I class that as a grab. Motherfucker. Did anyone manage to get in that? Break it at 15. Look at that, 15. No, not me. So 15, you would have been in the break of the body there. As soon as you grab previous 15 lows, you'd be break even here. But this would drive much lower. If you did get it, I did not. I am in. Yes, nice. Nice, nice.
It looks different on Blue.
Got it, nice. Yeah, I'm in 5-minute grab. Yeah, nice. Good job, Benny. Yeah, nice. Yeah, if it got grabbed in your high, you take the break of the low. Perfect. 15 pips in profit. Amazing, amazing, amazing. You're looking to target these lows down here for like minimum 20. What's up, guys? Hey, man, what's going on? What's going on, man? So your futures come right back down now here as well. All these longs are getting squeezed out here. You definitely want to have risk off the table, but your actual profit area is here. Yeah, 4-hour flip as well. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, good spot. Yeah, 4-hour flip as well. 4 hours at that beautiful level. Lovely, lovely level. How long did that 4-hour close? Was it 9 AM, I think? Yeah, 9 AM, yeah. No. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. Let's see how this can close. Remember, definitely have risk on the table. That'll be 2 seconds. Won't break even straight away. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. See, grabbing the lows. Yeah, you're about to grab them lows. Futures is already grabbing the lows, but currency isn't, so that's why we watch the spot. The spot chart's going to squeeze down a little bit more here. Good man. Where did you get it from? Around here?
On the chart.
Yeah.
2197.549.
7449. Yeah, nice. Beautiful. Lovely, man. Yeah, good man. Yeah, lovely. Very nice. Got 15 ticks, 1 contract waiting to reopen. Yeah, nice. Yeah, good shout, Mario. 10 pips there. Good job. Very nice. Let me switch to futures. Better markets, better funding opportunities, way better fills. I have to deal with manipulation 24/7, but it was mainly just the fills and execution for me, and it's just so much more regulated. And I only trade gold now as well, so it makes, if I'm just going to trade gold, it makes no sense to not trade it on a futures exchange. How's the 30 looking? Yeah, 30 might give us as long as we don't grab these lows, the 30 may give us a top wick entry. Stop loss safe when it's above a liquidity grab. Because if it's grabbed the highs, it doesn't need to re-grab it. Because that is the liquidity grab. So if that's the liquidity grab, that's your stop loss. If it's a true liquidity grab, you won't break it. If you do break it, you'll just keep pushing higher. Because it's the liquidity grab. It's grabbing the liquidity before pushing down. $150 ticks stop for a 20 tick TP. Yep, absolutely. Average weekly pips. No idea. I don't track it on average. This month though, we're up very well. Month. I can't fucking say it. March has been an amazing month. On the best month of the year so far. But on a week to week, I don't really track on a week to week personally. You guys who did get in, did you guys get in from this flip, or did you take the break of this low? Take the break of this one, or did you get in on this one? Nice if the 30-minute correct next. Yeah, next top wick. Yeah, 100%, yeah. If you don't grab these lows right now, yeah, next 30 top wick would be very nice. Be very, very nice. The future's tapping right into that view app as well. Need to grab, yeah. Take just a less refined entry. Yeah, well, when you do it off just the 15, you don't really have to worry about the. If I take it on the 15, I like to do it on the flip of the body. Like once the actual body starts to, even if it has created a bottom wick and then top wick. Say if the bottom wick was like down here, it's like I actually just like to take it off the body because if the body's just going to flip bearish, that's kind of where you want to be in to make your kind of entry the best. But like even if it creates a bottom wick and then a top wick, you can either take it on the break of the bottom wick, or I mean once the body just flips bearish, you're typically pretty good as well, to be honest. Yeah, take the body risk of the highs. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. I think it's probably the easiest. You could have had either or. I mean, the break of the low, you probably would have been there. You're currently running what, like 13? Break of the high, you're in like 18, so. There you go. About to grab all of, there you go, just grabbed all them lows there. If you guys did get it, good job. I took the flip of this 5, but I don't think I'm going to survive it. I had a shit entry there. You guys had a much better entry than me. Trying to find, yeah, I've watched it a few times as well, man. Yeah, I think the body works well enough. There you go, I'm out. So if you guys did get that, as soon as you start hitting them lows, you got like 15. Now you got more than that. If you took the break of them lows, you just hit. What did you hit? Yeah, around like 16. Takes them off, absolutely. What do I mean by top wick? Just this, like on the 15. This here. It's gonna create that top wick before flipping bearish. That's what you risk off. So you take the break of the low, you risk off the top wick there. Oh, look at that! So anyone who was buying gold here, stop loss just below them low, they've all just now been squeezed out here on gold. You just had a pretty strong 30 bearish close as well. Very, very bearish close. A very nice bearish close, actually. So anyone who was buying here, buying here, buying here, buying here, they've all just now been stopped out, which is beautiful. And now you're seeing gold push down pretty aggressive here. Share P&L? Yeah, I do, man. Yeah, I'll share my screen when I take it. Don't know, watch Donvo. We learned that start of trading. I like going to play here too. TP are larger pips though, and chase 5 to 10. I mean, chasing 5 to 10 pips is all well and good if your stop loss is around that as well. Nothing wrong taking 5 to 10 pips as long as your stop loss is similar. And my average stop loss this month, my biggest loss this month's like 13 ticks. So nothing wrong with taking 5 to 10 pips, but you want to be doing that on futures as well. If you're doing that on FX, you're just going to get screwed on spreads all the time, so just trade futures. And you guys who are in this, hold some fucking rise. This is pushing nice. Or just close. If you really want to close full, you took the break of the 15 and you're around here. You got like 25 ticks. Just close full. Take it. Take it and dip. I wish this 30 give a little bit more so I can actually, if I can get a decent entry as well. Don't know how to trade futures. Exactly the same thing, man. Exactly the same thing. Here. It's just the futures. It's literally exactly the same. Contracts is same as lots. One contract, one lot. You're just going to get way better fills. Like if I was to click buy here now, this is the price I'd get filled at. Whereas on FX, you know, it'd be like somewhere stupid in instant drawdown. Whereas here, you get filled at the exact same price. I'm not going to do it because it's pushing down. Man, I got taken out actually right. Where is it? Here. There, look at that. The spread is crap. 2.2. Yeah, you don't deal with all that shit on futures. It's the reason I don't trade like scalping gold. Is there's zero benefit to you trading, to you scalping gold on an FX broker as opposed to futures. Like literally zero benefits. Fuck, what a push. Anyone who did get these shorts, anyone still holding? This is crazy. Too fair, yeah, 1.2 is good. 1.2 is good. 1.2 is very good. I still just think futures execution is way better. If we do get a trade, I will show you how good the futures is on this platform. Because it's mind-blowing to me that people don't just trade futures. Especially someone like Don Vo who's trading, what, like 30 lots? It's like 30 contracts. To not trade that on futures is crazy to me. Maybe one day he'll make the transition. Anyone who's just trading gold, there's literally no reason to you not to trade futures. Had 2 losses, minus 11 ticks total. Now 15. Let's wait for the news. Yeah, good job, Mario. Look at that. 2 losses are only minus 11 ticks, made up by 1 trade. Good job, man. Keep your losses small. That's the key here. I'll start a beef again. Futures leverage the same. Nah, probably less. But it depends really. I'm trading here on Top Step. So on Top Step, I could be trading. Look, I'll show you. Depends on what account size you go for. If you trade like 100k on Top Step, you can trade up to 10 contracts, which is like 10 lots. 150. You can trade 15 contracts. You shouldn't be trading anywhere near that, but yeah, you can. Yeah, you're never coming into any leverage issues or contract sizing issues. It's more than enough. So the Will Smith safe stop loss should go on the current movement. My short was here, stop above that high there. Right here, it's kind of hard to say. 2-step of Val? Nah, 1 step, man, just 1 step. 1 step, no time period either. You just pay for however long it takes you. Like here, look. So it's $49 a month. If you pass in 1 month, that's all you pay. Plus the activation fee, and that's it. Same as the 100k. If it takes you 2 months, you pay $200. Takes you 3 months, $300. There's no like you have to pass within a certain amount of time. And you know, to try out futures for only $49 is pretty fucking good. Plus there's a little discount. You hit the link as well if you really want to. But you don't have to. Looking to see some longs. Nah, I want to take more sells. I want to take more sells. With the way that this 30's broken out, I think this owl is going to close bearish. I want to take sells down into here. This is the reason I didn't get these longs, because you didn't get that. See gold pushed into more extreme to drop further. Yeah, I do like gold to push down more overall because you're grabbing all of the daily highs here. You had a daily little double top. We needed to at least come and grab that today, so buys up into that today. And now you've grabbed that daily double top. You also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal daily lows, which, you know, if gold's going to see a massive move up, it's very unlikely that you're going to push up without grabbing any of these daily lows. So, could you push up one more time? I don't think so. I mean, maybe. I don't think you really need to, though, because you've already grabbed these highs here. That was kind of my upside target today. We were looking for longs in Asia, and it was buys up into this previous daily high. So now that you've grabbed that, should you need to come anywhere near that? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think you'll come down here first. The only way I would flip my bias and go long is if you start closing back above like here, and I'll take it up to like maybe these little double top highs here. But as it stands right now, I personally don't think so. I think this could potentially be the high of our session, and we could take this back down to here. Personally. Get to keep from top step. I'll show you what it's like. So you keep 100% of the first 10,000 you make, and then after that it's 90-10. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, last one. I saw that. That's crazy. But each time you do withdraw on top step, you have to hit minimum of 5 $200 days, which is not that much. And then after that, you take out like 50% of the time, and you keep the other 50% in your balance. If you want to take it out full and just close the account, I mean, you can also do that as well. Do my top step account. I mean, yeah, it's easy to do, man. I've lost some top steps before. Easy to do. I made a video on the last one I passed. If anyone hasn't watched it, go check it out. If I see a trade me into like this, nah, not really, man, not really. Like, I'm only really here to scalp like 20 ticks a day. So, you know, if this pushes down this much, like, you measure how much 20 is a day. That's all I'm really looking to take today. You know, I'm not trying to buy here and sell here. I'm just trying to get my little 20 for the day. So, you know, when I used to swing trade, I'd get FOMO a little bit more, because if I seen a big move like this and I'm not in it, it's hard that I'm going to get a swing continuation like that. But when you're here scalping, I get 20 ticks multiple times a day if I really wanted to. So now I don't really mind. Next trade's always right around the corner, man. That's so great. The credential, what the criteria is for them to accept. So to pass it, on a 100k account, profit target 6,000, max loss is 3,000. 50k, profit target 3,000, max loss is 2,000. I'll show you. Let me show you. Let me log in here. How do I log in? Have to be 200. No, not consecutive. No, not consecutive. No. You could take $100 day today, 200 tomorrow. Doesn't have to be consecutive, no. Just throughout the whole month or whenever you want to withdraw. Can I see it, or is it gone now? I think it might be gone now. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I love that, man. Yeah. Top set got to be one of the best futures prop firms. Yeah, doing your yeah. When they had issues on their Top Step X, yeah. Anything that happened to some people, even some people didn't have issues, they just fucking refunded everyone. It was crazy. Which is, yeah, amazing. You wouldn't see that from any FX prop firms ever. It's very good to see. But yeah, I agree. They're one of the best futures ones for sure. Where is it? Can I see my old one? No, I can't see the old one anymore, which is annoying. I can just see the one that I'm funded on now. I posted on my whole video. TFT is shut down. Lost to. Oh, really? TFT. What? I've heard of them before. Oh, have I heard of them before? TST. I've heard of them before. I don't know where from. What do you earn from 50k? Whatever you make, really. Whatever you make, you keep. The fund, yeah, the funded. I don't know why I've heard of them before. I'm not sure. Caviari sounds. The second time I've heard that today. I think it's a sign. The skate park. Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was good, man. It was good. It was hard, actually. I haven't been in so long. But it was good. Good fun. 72% people short here now on gold. Average short price 21,557. Average short price around here, which is pretty nice. I do think if you're going to see gold push down, you know, all the way down into here, I'm kind of looking to see if you can come into, like, back up into here, and I'll take some sells. Let me get rid of this now. I lost mine today, having the fun to trade after working to pass. Oh, they just what? They've, like, fully shut down? Really? That's fucking crazy. Man, these FX firms are fucking dodgy, man. What's it called? The funded trader? Is that what it's called?
I know that feeling too well.
Sorry, man.
I know that feeling too well.
Yeah. When gold skateboard. Soon, man, soon. I wanted to address personally, I've been the lifeblood of TFT. If fought in a battle of down years, you have. Wait, what? The future of TFT is coming. I don't know. So what? They're just gone? That's the thing, man. This is another reason why I moved to futures. All the bullshit that happens with FX firms when they can manipulate the broker, manipulate spreads, you know, that doesn't happen in futures. Like TopStep have zero control over any of the brokers that you pick. TopStep lets you pick from, like, what, 5 different futures platforms that are all highly regulated, way more than FX. All these FX prop firms have full control over everything you do. You've seen it from my Forex funds saying slip them to hell. Like, all of this bullshit, all these FX firms can do. It's why every other trading influencer was starting a prop firm like every other day. It's about time these either started going down or getting shut down. In futures, none of that will happen. Never. It's impossible for TopStep to ever manipulate the price of gold futures. Like, it's physically impossible. It's the price that's coming direct from the futures exchange here. Like, this isn't a price that TopStep is showing me. This is the price that's coming from the futures exchange. Exactly the same with this chart here. This is just a price that's coming from Oanda. Oanda could do any sort of crazy shit at any point. But on futures, every broker is going to show you the exact same price here. Like, I'll show you, look. Let me go on to, let me just hide my demo logins just in case. Yeah, that's crazy, yeah. That's annoying, man. Limit orders or wait to hit mark. I use stop orders, so I use buy stops and sell stops. Yeah. So again, different broker. This is Tradeovate, giving you the exact same price as what you're seeing here, because this is the price not coming from these guys, the price coming direct from the exchange. See, look, real orders coming in now as well. Oh, let me see. Let me see. I didn't see that. Temporary pause, and that's what's so scary about these funding firms, man. Is like, you can work so hard to get to a point, and it is hard work. You work so hard to get to a point of becoming funded, and just in a second it can be gone, which is it's just fucking crazy, man. It's just you know, I mean, for me, it gives more reason for people just to go trade fucking futures. Like, just trade futures. Stay away from all these dodgy FX firms. You know, Top Step have been around for what, like over 10 years? Curated by real X-floor traders, not just some random kid in their bedroom, like every other FX prop firm these days. And, you know, fully regulated by all of the CME, so it's a whole different ballgame, man. Funding is a tool to be, yeah, if it is exactly bad, yeah, it's just a tool. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, I'm just trying to see. I think we're probably gonna wait for the London Open here. I will look for some sells if this 15 grabs some previous highs, because you kind of, you know, you've hit this little support here. My next downside target is all the way down here, but I would love to see this next hourly open top wick into here, and then we'll get gold sells all the way back down into here. I think this is a lovely area to look for shorts into, especially if this 4 hour continues to flip bearish and sell off. So that's all I'm really looking for here. Doom, and then boom. So could you look for buys up into that? What do you have? 13 ticks. Not really. Bit aggressive. You just left a beautiful double bottom there as well. Yeah, 140. Yeah, you got the setup fee as well. What is it? 149 activation fee. You just pay that once. Can you trade futures on MT4 and 5? Nah, you can't. Nah. MetaTrader, nah. Stay far away from MetaTrader. You can trade on Top Step X. You can trade on Tradeovate. A whole bunch of different platforms. NinjaTrader, Quant Tower. I'm offline. So have a good weekend. See you, man. Enjoy your weekend as well, man. I can't believe it's a bank holiday tomorrow. I like bank holidays. How to trade if it earn if there's no spreads? Commissions. It's about like just under $5 per contract. Go on, man. Sorry.
Yes. There's Top Step brokerage as well.
Nah, Top Step's not a broker, man. Top Step's just a funding firm.
Right.
Like.
So, if I wanted to do futures, but didn't want a funded account yet, so I don't feel on it.
Yeah.
How would are there futures brokers? I take it there is.
Yeah, you can. I use NinjaTrader for personal, man.
Oh, okay.
NinjaTrader is really good. You use them on. If you got Mac, then you use the NinjaTrader web platform. But if you're on a Windows PC, then the actual Ninja platform is really nice.
Yeah, I'm only Windows. Okay.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Ninja's good then, man. Ninja's good.
Right. I don't know if I must see this question. Probably aren't, but sorry about.
It's alright, man.
In the Blueberry, my personal account.
Yep.
Can I have the same thing as Top Step so I can trade on the laptop or the PC?
Yeah. I'll show you how to do it, man. Yeah.
Oh yeah, legend code.
I'll show you how to do it, man.
Top man.
Send me a WhatsApp after this, man. I'll show you how to do it. Yeah, no worries, man. Yeah, it's like, I think it's like what? I think it's just under $4 per contract commission. For me, I'd much rather pay commissions than getting screwed on spreads all the time. Hope everything's good. This morning, hey Harry, what's going on, man? C-Trader. Yeah, C-Trader looks clean, to be fair. I still would just trade futures, but yeah, C-Trader does look clean. Margin for one contract. I think it's like $500 or something. I think it's like 500. Let me have a look. Margin positions. So $50 for intraday margin for micros and 500 for minis. So where is he here? And the good thing about Ninja as well is you can pick a pricing package. Like if you find you're paying a lot in commissions, you can just pay like a lifetime fee, and the commission per contract is like what you can see here, like 59 cents, which is, you know, fucking amazing per side. I'll send you it here. Look, let me send it to you guys. You can view the margins by markets. Let's have a look. So we'll go on exchange. Where are we? Comex. Metals. Gold is 1,000. Let me send this to you guys. So the margins to trade personal futures minimum 1,000. Here. If you trade, let's have a look. CME indices. I think indices like ES and NQ are like 500. Yeah, ES is only 500. Any advice on when to take pay on Top Step? Build it up first, man. Build it up. I sent it to you. Oh yeah, what the hell? Why did I just send it to Mark? Why am I selected on Mark? I only gave it to you, Mark. Just Mark got that. There's a little secret link for you there, man. There you go. I must have clicked on your name. Yeah, advice on when to take a payout. Yeah, build it up first. Build it up. But also, don't build it up for too long. You know, like, I mean, if you've been trading it for a month and you want to take a payout just to reward yourself, do that as well. Otherwise, it just becomes a numbers game and you don't treat it realistic. I think we're just going to wait for this London Open here, by the way, guys. I'm not watching this. I'm watching this on the 5-minute futures up here, and it's not really giving anything just yet. I think we have to wait for this London Open and Top Wick. Look at this hourly after stopping out everyone here. Everyone who was buying here, stop loss above there, stopped out, lovely push. So much easier to trade gold versus NQ. Yeah, 100%. Gold is much easier to trade. Much easier to trade. Plus, if you trade one contract on NQ, you can blow your account. If you trade one contract on gold, you're pretty safe. Denied payouts from futures? Nah, never. I've never heard of anyone getting denied payout from Top Step. Nah, never. They've paid out like what, over 23 million since 2020, and they've been around for 12 years, 12 plus years. So they're not like one of these like overnight companies. Yeah, it's insane. It paid out 23 mil is insane. Been around for. I think the nicest thing about them, the reason I got so invested in them, was the fact that they'd been around for 12 plus years, and created by actual ex-futures floor traders, not just some random influencer who's starting his prop firm like every other day. Yeah, he got 60k payout. Yeah, I saw that. That was ridiculous. He trades so aggressive in the US session, but it's insane. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. So yeah, he got 60k payout, which is fucking nuts, man. Yeah, it is Mark. Yeah. Yeah, all we need to see is this hourly close nice and bearish. Top wick, just grab some little 5-minute highs. And then we still got gold sells all the way down into here. Plug and switch of futures. I can trade London. Do you think I can just scalp gold? Yeah, that's all I do, man. Yeah, that's all I do. All we do is scalp gold. You trade like one contract, 20 ticks, $200. 5 contracts. You know, you get some decent gains, very decent gains. And the good thing about futures is you can manage your position much better. Like if you were in buyers here and it pushes up and you go to break even and price comes close to it, break evens on futures don't stop you out like FX trades. Like the amount of times I'd be in an FX, like here I'd be an FX short and it comes back up. It doesn't tag me, but I get stopped out on spreads. It doesn't happen in futures unless there's like very, very low liquidity, but it's unlikely. So yeah, you can scalp gold way better in futures. Way better. I tested futures for like a year before I made the full-time move. I mean, trading futures now, only futures for maybe like, I don't know, 8 months, maybe a year, but actually testing futures, like almost 2 years. Probably almost 2 years. I think I was posting on YouTube my transition into futures over like maybe 2 years ago now. But yeah, it's Top Step here. Look, I'll show you. Yeah. This is on the Top Step X platform. So this is just what Top Step traders are doing. So 36% of Top Step traders are long on gold right now, and 64% short. You can see it for S&P, Nasdaq, crude oil, and gold. Top Step allow half contracts to help manage risk. Yeah, futures. So if you want to trade like a 0.5 on futures, you just trade micros. So 1 micro is a 0.1 lot in FX terms. 0.5, so 5 micros is a 0.5 lot. Yeah, micros are not smaller yet. Yep. Just got combine top set. It was an option. Yeah, it's not fully released yet. They sent out emails releasing it to the first few people. If you're not sure what platform to go to, I would go to Tradeovate. And you can use Tradeovate on TradingView as well. You can actually, if you really want to, I don't like to because I like to keep it separate. But if you're not sure on what platform to use and you're new to futures, just click Tradeovate and then you can sign in here. And you can trade your Top Step account here on TradingView. It just makes your life so much easier. If you're new to it, it's the best way to do it. It's how I used to do it. But the actual Tradeovate platform is nice as well. Yeah, close right below that support, yeah. How's this 30 going to close? I mean, if this 30 closes like this, above this little wick here, bottom wick, could you play a little evening star retracement? Definitely. And this is going to give us this hourly close here as well. Hourly's still looking pretty nice though. Hourly is still looking nice. Hourly's still looking very nice. So the hourly to give us a top wick into these previous 30 highs, and I still think you could see this. Even though the 30 is closing like this, we have to understand the hourly still closing aggressively bearish, which is actually very nice to see. How do you close partials on Tradeovate? I'll see if I can have an account I can show. But if you're in 5 contracts and you want to close 2, you just sell or buy back whatever position you're in. So if you're buying gold right now, 5 contracts, you want to close 2, you just sell it back. You sell back whatever you're buying, or vice versa. Let me see if I can get on. I don't know if I have an account I haven't started yet. Let me see. I can show you. And the nice thing about futures as well is, like, when you're in a trade, say if you're in longs here at like 5 contracts, you can trail your stops certain contracts amount. So it's like if you want to trail 50%, you want to trail 2 contracts below a low and then another 2 below another low. You can distribute your risk as well, which I also do think is nice. I got another one, Top Step X. Oh no, it's my Express. What's this? Oh, I thought I'd another. No, I don't. Yeah, you can do it on TradingView. Yeah. Holding cells. Nah, that's your cells are done pretty much. You've already made. I mean, I do think it's going to come much lower, but if you took the cells from here, yeah, you want to be securing your profits around this area. Here was my downside target. Next target is down here. But if you're in short from here, gold could easily retrace up to here before going lower. So you don't want to see your profits go from like plus 25 to potentially break even. You just had a nice 30 close there, instant bottom wick. You may have some buys here on gold. I don't want to miss these. Let me just go back to 5. Ah, it's going to flip too quick, isn't it? It might flip too quick. You got gold buys back up into here. I mean, I don't want to take on the first flip of the 30 seconds anyway, but can you close partial on TradingView? Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Exactly the same way. Exactly the same. You push down a little bit more. Break-even points here. It's only 10 ticks. I mean, could you still come up into these areas? Maybe. I don't have anything just yet. I'm just kind of drawing this up here. I wouldn't be taking the break of the 30 high in the first like 1 minute here anyway. So more of a bottom wick, and then we can take it. As long as you don't break. If you break previous 30 lows, well then where could you go? We're also just into the London Open here as well. Wait, what time? Oh no, 30 did close bearish. So I was on the 15. I thought I was on the 30. Let's have a look. Hourly. Nice and bearish. Did find some support. If you grab the lows. Let's see. So you're instantly grabbing hourly lows there in the first 1 minute, which makes me think you're going to retrace. It's unlikely that this hourly is going to close aggressively bearish if it's grabbing previous hourly lows in the first like 2 minutes here. Wouldn't surprise me if you now come all the way back up into here. Let's see. Let's see. 5 minute here on the futures. Oh, you rejected perfectly off that VWAP again. It's crazy, man. 5 minute rejected perfectly there. Broke below, failed to close back above. Beautiful rejection, push back lower. What's that? 17. 17 tick rejection of VWAP there on the futures again. That's crazy. Crazy.
This is a pretty big drop, eh?
Yeah, it's a solid drop, man. This is the kind of drop I wanted today.
That's what she said.
Well, I would like to see this weekly. I'd like to see this weekly close back below like here. And then next week. Actually triggered.
Yeah, can you explain why?
I don't know.
I don't understand.
I thought it would be a good market to try sell.
Okay.
Capitalize on, you know what I mean? Because it's shiny. What was your entry on NAS? I only trade Asia, man. I'm not too sure. Sorry. Yeah, it is. Yeah, New York stream. Yeah, you're gonna trade New York. NAS has been. I don't know. Will you trade NAS a little bit again, Mark? It looks like it's been fucking shitty recently. I know some of you guys were trading NAS again. It looks like it's been fucking terrible recently. Have a look at NAS on the daily. I don't know why I trade gold and not NAS, but look how horrible this is. Doji, bearish, bullish. Yeah, Nasdaq's fucking crazy. Oh my god, Goldie's pushing. Holy. Fuck, what a push. Anyone somehow in these cells? Because I certainly am not.
Yeah, I'm still in.
You're still in? Nice.
Yeah, I'm not going to take anything in until it hits 2170. Because I know it's going to go there.
You wouldn't hold to 2000?
Yeah, I would have a would.
Yeah, you wouldn't hold for gold to come back on the daily to retest these levels about 2000? Look, I just sent you guys on that
Already
trade.
sells from 2222.
Oh. Whoa. Yeah, same.
Easy.
Look at that chart I just sent you guys. That rejection of VWAP again. We don't trade it, but I've just been watching it here in the futures. It just literally shorts off that VWAP again is just like rejected. You know, it's cleared down like 30 ticks, which is crazy. I don't actively trade VWAP, but I watch it here on the futures, and it's pretty crazy. Oh, nice, Ross. Yeah, nice.
That's a liquidity grab, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a liquidity grab. Tap it into VWAP. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's like 30 ticks. That's fucking mental. VWAP course coming soon. Yeah, I've been actually using VWAP for years, guys. I just haven't told anyone. Are we selling a VWAP course soon? I missed it. Yeah, me too. Also nice. Yeah, nice. Oh, nice. Some of you guys are in it. Good job. Very nice. Must be nice. People are still holding longs here on top step. People are still long from 21.484. Where's that? They're loading up some longs now.
21.84.
Yeah, 21. Yeah, 21484. Oh, what did I say? Did I say 21.4? 21484. Oh, on the future side.
Alright.
Yeah. They wish.
Oh, really? That's a big drop, though.
Make some food. Enjoy, lads. Enjoy, Ross. Enjoy, man. Enjoy. Well, this hourly has opened and pushed down aggressively within the first like 6 minutes here, which is quite surprising to see, because it makes me think this could be a bottom wick on this hourly for it to come back up into these areas. That obviously doesn't mean I'm going to start buying it. Of course not. If 5 minutes just closed aggressively bearish, but if the 15 starts getting back above some levels, I'm not against it. Are you trading the US tonight, Alan? Sir? Alan, sir? Don't want to talk to us. I don't want to talk to you either.
Have a good chat. No, he said he had to help partner with someone.
Ah. Not dedicated, man. Where's the dedication?
I'd consider it if the Wi-Fi wasn't crap here.
Is it really bad?
I keep dropping out enough to do the IT reset and turn it off and on again.
Yeah, if that doesn't work, the next step. Always put it in rice. Get it in some rice, man.
So much more variety of food in Bali too, it's awesome.
Yeah, some amazing places in Bali, man. Some amazing places. Food and cafe in Bali are amazing. I'm green. 3:07 a.m. here in the US. Going to bed. Stay green. Enjoy, Chris. See you next time, man. Good job. Good work, man. Good work. $300. Wait, no, $300. 3 a.m. That's crazy, man. See you next week, man. See you next week. We've had some great trades this week. Look at this fifth. I'm watching this 5 minute in the futures. I'm trying to see if this 5 can close back above a level. This 15's rejecting pretty well. I just want to see this 5 just get back above. Have a great weekend. Thank you, man. You too. Have a good weekend as well. See you next week. Same time again, man.
So, sorry, mate.
That's all good, man.
It was my headphone then. Yeah, I don't know if I can. If I can squeeze it in later. Is it worth it?
Yeah, I reckon. I'll be watching. I think you got pretty big news. I mean, it's probably not worth it before the news, but yeah, after the news, like 12:30 London time, you got GDP and unemployment claims.
Okay, see what time I get back then. I don't know if I can, but we'll see.
We need your signals.
Okay. 4 hours. Thank you. 4 hours.
Uluwatu, nice, nice man. Unemployment claims means price will go bullish. It depends really. It's hard to see that it would. Technicals say otherwise, but I guess you never know. Technically, I see gold going lower today. That pushed. We jumped off stream yesterday around like here. And look at that rip on gold yesterday. Grab the 15 lows. As soon as you re-break them highs, it was an absolutely insane move. Like that 115 is like, oh, it's crazy.
We should start doing a London stream with Aaron and then a post-Aaron stream once you've hopped off.
Yeah, I know, yeah. The volume's when the volume comes in. I know if I can go off.
Can we target that? And we got in that work. Wasn't that the trade? Sure it was. In 5 minutes. Sure that was the work we had.
Let's see. Oh, sir. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah.
Yeah, sure it was.
Oh, we were.
Get in.
I was initially
Yeah.
taking buys from once you grab these lows up into there. And I think we jumped off maybe around like here, bounced off that trend line again, and then broke above.
I see what you-
Grab the lows. It's yeah. The amount that trend line has been respected is crazy. That's why I think if you come anywhere near it again, you're gonna crack it pretty aggressively. I think. Where is it? Yeah, 4 out. You start bouncing around this trend line again. Like I always say, by the time most retailers have spotted a trend line or a level of support and resistance, you know, price comes down here, people will try to take this bounce. I think you'll probably get a decent breakout. You get a decent spike. I mean, the fact that you still never even grabbed like any of this before this whole, I still took this push up, but the fact that you never even really grabbed that and came so close to it here and here again, at some point, not doesn't necessarily have to come in today, at some point to see that, you know, will be a very big position. If you want me to draw on what it may look like, I'll just show you, just in case someone was wondering. Come and grab them previous hourly highs. I'll be looking for this.
I don't actually know if anyone asked though, if I'm honest.
No, Alan did, I think. Someone asked.
I think it's just all the women in
We'll be in from here, and then we'll be in from... Yeah. Some beautiful drawings right there. Try and long. Yeah, the 5 minute just closed a bit doji. I just want this 5 to close back above like 13.3-ish on the futures. Get back above there and I'll start taking some longs. Look here at the 5. Like, just get back above here. You know, you kind of have just rejected like 1, 2, 3 equal lows now. But close back above here. To retrace into there, yeah, is pretty nice. I just kind of need this to actually close above. You're going to get the 15 closure here in like 13 minutes. So as long as this current 15 doesn't grab any of these highs, bottom wick, that's going to be the buys, I think. And that's going to be a nice trade. Then we'll risk off like some 5 minute lows. So 15 to close back above like here. Next 15, bottom wick. We'll look for a 5 minute entry and a valid stop loss. And we'll be looking for at least here to potentially even here again.
You.
Who?
I'm not opposed to the longs though.
No, I'm not opposed to longs, no. It's supposed to be a bullish candle.
I'm going to email Zoom and get them to ban some tools off their dashboard.
No, I don't like any of it. I'm not like it.
Don't lie, man. Come on.
I don't like
We're all friends here.
yeah. I rather the old.
I somehow got that run. Nice.
I'm just concerned that Aaron's going to start wagging streams to go to the skate park.
Yeah, guys, I'm going to end it here.
Have you seen him on YouTube?
I wasn't very good today, though. What's this? You haven't grabbed any 5 lows. Putting your stop here doesn't really make sense because you haven't grabbed any liquidity. So I'm not going to take this 5 flip. Can I buy gold now, sir? Yep, if you want to.
Always the sir.
I am not. I need this to close back above here. Boom.
Has Kate got you said?
No, she should though.
Yeah. Just put it out there.
I'll check in with her tonight. From now on, Kate, you will call me sir.
Well, if Sammy's boss man, it sort of makes sense, really.
Don't mention I said anything.
What's your biggest loss, Aaron?
She already got beef.
Go on, man. You're good. Go on. Give it to us.
She already got beef with Manchester, but she can add Wales to the list.
Yeah, it's just a beef with Manchester. Joe. My biggest loss so far this year was right here. It was my 67 ticks, and it was really fucking stupid because I was taking a trade whilst moving house, and I had to cut this position down here before it then ended up ripping back on. So far this year, I even put, look how idiot, if we put stop loss before moving house, don't trade a move. Stop loss was supposed to be, where is it? This was supposed to be, what? My stop here. Stop was supposed to be here. Actual stop, I ended up having to cut it down there. And then luckily enough, I actually then did make back the exact same play in the same day, luckily. Not that I was necessarily trying to. But here. And this was on the FTMO account as well. Look, let me show you just so you can actually see it.
I think they actually call that revenge trading.
No revenge trading, sir. No, boss, we're following the plan, okay? I was actually scared to re-enter it, but yeah, there's a minus 1,600, which was supposed to be like maybe minus, I don't know, 200 maybe, and ended up getting it back. Not revenge trading though, boss. FTMO programming strategy fully broken down for a beginner, or is it multi-intermediate? Yeah, it's broken down. It's broken down for a beginner. But I mean, if you're completely brand new, I'd watch the streams for free for like, you know, first couple of weeks to get kind of used to how we trade. 5 minute here didn't get grabbed on the currency, but it did get grabbed here on the futures. Still needs to get grabbed on the currency for me to take this. If it was grabbed like it is in the futures, I would be in these buys here. But yeah, it is broken down into like full step-by-step videos. But like I say, if you are brand new, I'm not here to say, I'm just gonna keep watching the streams for free. You get just as much value that when you feel like, you know, you kind of understand what I'm doing, you eventually want to take it to the next level. Sure, absolutely. Streams are gold for Loden. Yeah, good to hear, man. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. So the reason I do these streams and trade live is so you guys can see what we're actually talking about actually works. You know, I've had some amazing trades on stream this week. Some of the best trades we've had all year, actually. And it's just kind of proof of concept. This is what the whole purpose of these streams are. And so you can actually still take these trades in the London session. But yeah, we do trade after that as well. You know, we're active in Asia today. We're active in US as well. But if you're completely brand new, yeah, just keep watching the videos, man. Keep watching the vids. I'm trying to look to see if we can get some buys here on gold. It's just kind of risky down. I really wanted just to grab some little lows so we could take this back up into here. I did on the futures, but cracking week for the stream. Yeah, amazing week for the stream. Anyone who wasn't on it, you know, on Tuesday, probably had one of the best trades of the year. Where is it? Here, it was actually much more than that. Where is it? How was Tuesday's trade? Ended up running up like all the way up into here, like to grab all of these highs here and these highs here. It's a crazy position. I'll recap it probably next week actually. Goldie's pushing up here. I want to be in these buys. It's just difficult right here. Didn't even know what a candle was a few weeks ago. That's amazing. I have to say, glad I signed up. Yeah, amazing, man. Amazing, Brad. Good to hear, man. A couple of weeks ago, not knowing what candle was is incredible. Still short on gold. Where are you short from, man? Where are you short from? If you got shorts from like up here, you know, you're probably pretty safe. But I am looking to see gold retrace back up into here before potentially pushing down lower. I was doing supply and demand thing, but getting absolutely wrecked by it being a liquidity grab and smashing through my zones. Yeah, liquidity grabs the key on gold. Stream. There's epic. Yeah, it's good, Mark. Yeah, it's good, man. It's amazing to see. It's good to see. And no one else is sharing trades like that. That's for sure. And that wasn't, you know, hindsight entry and hindsight stop loss. That was the actual trade we took on Tuesday. It was like a 1 to 5. It's ridiculous. So many gaps on GCJ4. You just have to roll your contracts to GCM24. Okay, let me make you a. Funny, found someone trading the UK. Good morning, all. Hey, what's going on, man? Yeah, we're trading the London session here. So that was the trade we had on Tuesday, and then the one we had on Monday. Where was Monday? Here. So the trade, that was Tuesday, and we didn't have anything yesterday, and that was the Monday scalp as well. And we actually did get out right at that point. It was amazing. That was last month's. Yeah, you always gotta roll your contracts. Go on, man. You're all good. Yeah, it's looking very nice. I'm just trying to catch an entry. It's pushing up exactly like we want. I'm just trying to get a flipping entry. Stop loss of break even, come back up. Yeah, definitely, yeah. Just wicked out all the lows again, holding back above that support. Usually that would be enough of a liquidity grab, but clearly we need even more. Now you're having that push back higher, which is a little bit annoying because this is the buys we wanted. A little bit annoying. Oh.
You've still got that 30 close coming in though, which will give us a bit more confirmation.
Yeah, it's true, man. Yeah, look at that 30, yeah. There's a huge wick. I mean, you're going to just completely reverse this whole trade? I don't know. I'd be surprised, but with the way this... I mean, you know, we're in a... You know, we are in a very difficult range here today. You're going to have this big push down, you'll find this big support. So we are kind of not working with too much. 15's just grabbing them highs now as well. So that was my little upside target. Oh, not quite. Not quite. It's got a little bit more. Bottom wick on the next 5 into these lows, and I would like to be in this. I'll find a better stream for tight risk management. Refreshing push. Thank you, man. Yeah, thank you. You just got to manage your trades. You know, no one really thinks about trade management, but for me, trade management is what keeps me in the game. If I didn't have trade management, I probably wouldn't be here right now. It's not having, you know, the perfect entries and the perfect directional call. It's just about, you know, when you're wrong, being wrong quick and being able to flip the bias. That's one thing. I don't like to have big losses. I used to have, you know, when I used to trade like 1% risk every time, you know, I'd take like 4 losses in a row, be down like 4%, and then all of a sudden start trying to catch like 1 to 4 risk to rewards, which, you know, I look back, I was like, I hate trading that way, personally. I'd rather have small losses and, you know, good wins than big losses and much more wins, if that makes sense. Just personally, for a psychology perspective. Kind of annoying watching this push back up. But the fact that you just never grabbed any of these is why this is slightly annoying. And you take the break of the 5 high now, it's like, well, you're back into here. I think we had this lovely push down, and we just kind of got a bit difficult around here. It's kind of tough. Yeah, I'm trying to get a trade here with you guys, but I'm not going to force it. I don't really like this just now. I think maybe the 30 close will give us a little bit more clarity. Gold likes to wick out high. Yeah, it's mainly gold that does like it more. Nasdaq doesn't do it as much. Well, if you trade it on Nasdaq, you kind of have to correlate it with the S&P, because sometimes the S&P will grab a high and Nasdaq won't. And if you're waiting for Nasdaq to grab a high but S&P's already grabbed it, it doesn't need to. and vice versa. Sometimes Nasdaq will grab high, S&P won't, and that can be your trade. But gold does it every single time. There's never a time when gold doesn't not do it because something else does. Gold always does it. It's not a bad. Now we're back up here. This isn't a bad area to see if we can get some shorts. Oh, the 30 is pretty strong though. That 30 is really strong. See, it's difficult because the hourly has closed aggressively bearish. This hourly hasn't closed yet, but we are grabbing the lows and starting to close back above this support. We got the 4-hour close in about 30 minutes as well, which I do prefer to see this come back down into like here. Oh, it's like a cup and handle. Let's see. It's difficult. I mean, you know, obviously we are in a range, but the range is actually pretty big. That's why I'm kind of okay with trading it, because the ranges are pretty big. Like, you just measure, even from like here back up into here, it's like a 20 tick range. I'll trade a 20 tick range. 5 minute close back above view out there. Trying to get back above, retesting this area. Grab these highs. Did we grab the highs we were talking about? Yeah, we did, yeah. Here.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did, yeah.
This 30 could easily close below that level, and
I know.
so enough to trade the last 5 minutes of these.
Yeah.
Hourly candles.
100%, man. 30 can go from looking so bullish, literally like the last like 30 seconds, it can completely change. And we're that close to it now, we may as well just wait for it. Difficult day on gold though. Difficult day.
Yeah, that would have been easy.
I mean, the push down here was really nice because you had clear levels to target. But where you're at right now, it's like, do you have clear liquidity buys? Not really. Do you have clear liquidity sells after this? Not really. The sells were beautiful because you had all of these lows to come and grab. So as soon as that closed, the top weight, that was a lovely push. But now it's like, well, if you buy, where's your target? You kind of grab the highs here, broke back below, retest and push lower. I mean, you could come into here. Yeah, but yeah, I would love. That's why I was kind of looking to target down here, but the way that just had that big rejection,
Yeah.
it's tricky. It's tricky, man.
It's only this one. This threw me off big time for my loss this morning.
You get the sells?
I sold around, I was on 5 minute then, around here.
Yeah.
And then like went up, like actually ended up the break of the low, came down and the 5 ticks profit and then just reversed.
Yeah.
8 tick loss.
15 gave no bottom wick as well. 15 usually doesn't really matter as much though, but yeah, it did end up no bottom wick. Grab the lows. Straight back up.
But it went up first, then came back down, and then went up again.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
Yeah. So I think I just got manipulated then.
So 30 has just closed bullish doji. You've grabbed the highs and you've grabbed the lows. It's really tricky here on gold. Really, really tricky. You're grabbing the lows, you're also grabbing the highs. So you can't really look at this from the perspective of, cool, we've grabbed the lows, maybe we could go long, because you've also grabbed the highs. You've got to be neutral. Although you've grabbed the lows and closed bullish, you've also grabbed the highs here. So I can kind of see it both ways here on gold. 5 minutes just closed with a pretty steep wick, closing back bearish as well. I think it's kind of any man's game in this area. We are only, what, 31 minutes into this London Open? Cancel whichever one, yeah. Cancel whichever doesn't work. So buy here. And a sell here, yeah. Probably will work.
Makes sense. One of them is going to win.
Yes. Yeah.
They need to be 50% up. It'd be profitable if you kept on doing that.
Just show the winners as well, hide the losses. Just show whichever one works out.
That's the secret, yeah.
I think sales are more probable as we're in premium pricing. Not sure what that is. I think the 4-hour close will really be the decider, but it's 4 hours looking like it's going to close pretty doji. I mean, doji after grabbing these highs after an aggressive bullish candle here also isn't too bad because you've liquidated the highs. You're still around this overall daily head and shoulders with a lot of trendline liquidity in a 4-hourly double bottom here as well. So yeah, I do prefer sells. You take a big swing fib from this push that we've had. You haven't really got up into the 78 yet, but you are around the 61 and also around that key level of 2,200, which is our daily level on gold. Here, it's our daily chart here. 2,200. That's the real strong resistance with the solid support back down here. We'll watch it for a little bit longer. We'll see if we get some more volume. You had that big push down pre-London. You should see a little bit more here. And the thing is, remember, don't get bored and don't start taking trades for the sake of it, because at any point today a trade can come in. You just got to be ready for it. And when it comes in, it will look so simple. But if you try and force a trade now, by the time it does come in, you're going to be kicking yourself when it does, because you're not going to be able to take it. Plans weekend for this? Nah, no, I don't got too much planned really, man. I got too much planned. Let's see what K's up to. High probability of being yeah, nice, yeah. Yeah, bank holiday weekend in Bali will be fucking so busy. Basically be Australia for the long weekend.
Is there Changs in Bali?
Nah, I mean maybe. I think it is just Bintangs though.
I just gotta stick to whatever's local.
Mark just works
Mate,
here.
Actually, I didn't tell you, Alec, if you like Changs, you would love Beer Lao. Beer Lao is a great beer.
Be that, I've not heard that one. What's that one?
It's from Lao. Yeah, funny. Beer, Lao. Yeah.
Mark, I see you weekend.
Yeah.
Stream. Oh yeah, John. Yeah, well, Monday. I think Monday's also a bank. Let me check. Yeah, you guys in Australia, next week, London clocks will be changing. I don't believe the Australian clocks change until that following weekend. So yeah, next week, from Tuesday onwards, because bank holiday on Monday. Yeah, Tuesday onwards, the streams will be at 4 p.m. London time. No, 4 p.m. London. 4 p.m. Brisbane time, still 7 a.m. London time. Yeah, it'll be an hour different. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, Monday's bank holiday. Yeah.
Sydney changes this weekend.
Oh, is it this weekend? Sydney changes.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Monday bank holiday in Scotland. Yeah. Changes are so nice, and this. I still have a.
You're not trading them, are you?
Nah, I won't be, man. Unfortunately, I'd love to, but unfortunately not. It'll be closed. I still have a video of you, Alad, falling in the pool, but saving. Not falling in the pool, falling in the deep end of the pool, and holding up your Chang.
You did the water.
I might have to send that in the general chat. Didn't even fall in the pool, just fell in the deep end of the pool. And still had the Chang like up here in the sky.
My favourite part was the warm chang sitting around the pool and didn't get wasted.
You'd, ha-
No, you can't be honest with that.
you'd have to check Joe's about it. Oh, I don't think that's quite finished.
Yeah.
Don't change times in Queensland. Yeah, it doesn't change in Queensland.
Where Joe, you want to drink for drinking.
Oh yeah, that's the biggest load of cat I've ever heard. Didn't even see him. I didn't see him that night. Gone.
When he was shadow boxing.
Oh, that's right.
Fucking hell, what a guy.
And then he hurt his elbow shadow boxing.
Is the US futures open Monday? I don't think so. Let me see. Sometimes on bank holidays you do get like half days. I think. Let me check. I think Monday might be closed as well. I know Friday is. Sometimes you do get half days, but tomorrow is fully closed. Where are we? Good Friday. It looks like futures is open.
I completely forgot it was Easter too, and I just think Easter and Bali is going to be mental.
Yeah, it's gonna be mental, man. It's gonna be fucking full of Australians. Yeah, it actually looks like futures is open on Monday. When's the next overseas trading holiday? We got Bali in May. I haven't planned another one just yet, man. I would like to plan another one towards the end of the year. If it's something that people do want to do, man, definitely. Whereabouts are you, Bradley? Yeah, got changed on the 7th. Yeah. US closed tomorrow Monday. Potentially low. Yeah, I would be I personally wouldn't trade Monday. I'd wait for Tuesday, unfortunately. I hate bank holidays, man. I used to love bank holidays. Now we trade, I fucking hate bank holidays. Look at gold, just completely retracing. I'm in Sydney. Oh, nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, yeah. We did the trade and retreat last year in Thailand. It was amazing, man. Oh, wait, no, yeah, last year, yeah. Almost coming up to a year, which is fucking crazy. I think we went there in May. Oh, look at that gold, straight back up. Damn. Oh, Goldie, I would love to be in these buys here. If anyone did get the buys, well done. I certainly am not. Oh, amazing push straight back higher. Straight back higher. We just grabbed some previous 5 lows here. You know, we could have been riding this puppy. Oh well. Yeah, 15 was clear, man. Yeah. Grabbed the lows, failed to close below the support. That wick was just weird to me. That wick was just weird. If you didn't have that big wick there of these highs, yeah, this one would have been lovely. 100%. Buying it 213. Nice. Got 2 contracts. Nice. Yeah, good job. Yeah, some of you guys did the buys. Well done. I unfortunately didn't. I haven't executed anything here today. But yeah, you know, if there wasn't this wick, these buys made a lot of sense because you grabbed the lows, held above this support, but when you also grab the highs and close below this resistance, kind of like any man's game. If you took the break of the 15 high just to be safe, because if it breaks the high, there's a high chance of a push. Yeah, I mean, you got 10 ticks on that high. Risky business though. 5 minute held that view out perfectly as well again. It's crazy. I'll send it in here. Look at that. Held perfectly back above. Got back above it. Retested. Push. 1 PM US sesh. Yeah, I'll be around, man. Yeah, I'll be around at 1 PM. 1 PM your time. It's basically Friday today, so yeah, I'll be trading New York today. Should be back then. Yeah, nice man. Yep. Just make sure you're allowed, man. Make sure she lets you. Yeah, nice. Yeah, New York it is.
I might try and trade another one to see how that goes.
Yeah, well, you do have a lot of US news today, so you should be pretty good around then.
If we can't do full margin Fridays, makes sense.
Full margin Thursdays?
Could we have to come up with one for Thursday?
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
If we lose tomorrow, so might as well have a double loss today.
Yeah, true.
Makes sense. Because it could win. There's a possibility.
What's up? Hey, Spence, what's going on, man?
Why don't you just call the bank, ask them why they're going on a holiday, and if they can just work tomorrow so we can get a trade?
Yeah, awesome. Do you guys really need a holiday tomorrow, or are you guys okay to work it? Because we got some trading to do.
You don't really need it.
No, you don't really need it. You got the weekend. What more do you need?
Unless you're, exactly. Unless you're in UK, then you do need the sun.
It's crazy that the US doesn't actually have a bank holiday on Friday or Monday. US has like no bank holidays. It's crazy. Everywhere else but the US. Yeah, it sucks to them, yeah. And there is actually US news tomorrow. So be sure not to leave any positions over the weekend, because you could get screwed.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%, man. Loving is good, man. That's good. That's what you want. Like to view up, kind of like you swing highs of liquidity. Also, yeah. I like that as well. It's not something I've ever used before. Like, I've recently just been keeping it on my charts here, and it's kind of been a pretty I haven't like taken any trades based off it yet, but I have been watching it more, and it looks like it's been respected like really well. Like, so many times this week I've just been, when it breaks back below and holds it, it's your nice short confirmation, obviously coupled up with something else, like you say. And it's like, you get these nice bounces, these nice bounces here. Like, these are big moves. These are very big moves, even here. Like, when we broke back below it today, grabbed the liquidity, 30 ticks, broke back above it today. Here you're up another 30. Like, it's pretty crazy. And when you're quite far away from it, grabbing some highs, shorts back to come down and retest it is also nice. It's not something I've ever used before, but it's an indicator that makes sense. That's why I'm intrigued to watch it. I don't use any indicators, but VWAP does make sense to me. So it's one that I will, I never take a trade just because it's out of VWAP, but if you're stacking it up on, if you're grabbing some highs and breaking back above and retesting, and also retesting VWAP, but it could be a nice confluence. So it's good to see someone else using it for sure. Prop firms closing their business. 375.
Shut up.
What are you up? 375?
No, 379.
I'm trading US today.
I'm up 376 for me, so good try.
Nah, that's cat. You're up 379.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Yeah, I'm trading.
You know, it is.
No, same as me.
You trade, Aaron.
Yeah, I'm full margin US session today for sure. If you're up 4 more than me, I'm getting 5 today.
I'm done the profits, right? I don't really care about the profits at the moment.
Nah, I haven't done it, man. I don't really need to.
Both accounts combined. Each trade on Blueberry, I've swing trades.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, same as me. Prop firms closing their business today. The funded trader. Yeah, I saw that. Not all prop firms, just FX ones by the looks of it. Well, just that's not that. The funded trader is the only one that I've heard of gone down.
There's going to be, honestly, good time to go to the US. Going to be so many Lambos repossessed, you'll get them for a steal at the bank auction.
100%. I'm in. Go to Miami.
The best thing is the stories of the gurus that go, oh yeah, we're just currently in the switching process.
It's so crazy.
Sure you are.
It's so crazy. Top step closed tomorrow. Yeah, top step's closed tomorrow. Yeah, no top step trading tomorrow. Trading market's hard to get in. Overextended if you get deep retracement wicks. Close above. Yeah, I like that, man. Yeah, I like that. It makes sense. Kind of saves you jumping in a trade too early. Like if you're looking for longs and you're trending below it, wait for it to get back above and then start going in. Could probably save you a lot of losses. Like here today. Don't try buy here. Don't try buy here. Wait for it to get back above. Retest. You know, get in from there. Definitely. Same as here. You know, if you're looking for these big pushes up, kind of pointless trying to get in longs here when you got view up just down there. Wait for it to retrace to it and then, you know, look for the continuation. Makes sense. NQ's rate. Yeah, we do. We do have some news today. We do. We have a lot of news today, actually. Yeah, Nasdaq ranging like crazy. Yeah, crazy range on Nasdaq. Even gold is kind of, you know, gold still has had nice moves today, but overall it is actually still ranging. I think it is because of the news. Like you look here, you actually are just kind of chopping today. So yeah, there's GDP, which is going to be huge, and unemployment claims. You got very big news today. Very big news today. I'll be definitely watching that news. Took a sell. I mean, 5 minutes reject. If you do take a sell, I'd only risk off that previous 5 high. Wouldn't risk, if you break that, you're going to come much higher. So I wouldn't risk off much more than that. It's kind of hard for me to take sells here. Where are we? Kind of hard for me to take sells here. Hourly's just, you know, 1 minute bearish, next minute bullish. You look at the 4 hourly. 4 hourly is about to close with a big fat doji candle. Big fat doji candle. I mean, you know, this area to have an average short position is nice. Depends what your intentions are with it. If you're looking for a swing trade, yeah, it's not a bad place to look for some sells. For an intraday trade, it's kind of difficult. Not really giving us too much, unfortunately. Towards great journey. Yeah, so true, Mark. Yeah, 100%. Give you a 5 for that. It's true, man. Yeah, big news today. News isn't. You're still got a while for that news. You know, news isn't coming in until 12:30 London time. So you've got quite a while for that. But by the looks of what we've seen so far today, I will probably be waiting for that before I take anything else. Took that very small little short here today and just took the break even on it. Well, I mean, plus $20, but basically break even. The best short today was the 15. It's very true. You can never say no to a Zinger box. I'm off. Catch you Tuesday. See you, Harry. See you Tuesday, man. Enjoy your weekend. NQ and ES, what do you think? Can you tell me you analyze? I don't think anything of Nasdaq and S&P at the minute. They're just ranging. Doing absolutely zero. I wouldn't even be looking to trade Nasdaq. Even Nasdaq on the daily. I don't trade Nasdaq anyway, but I'm looking at the micros. Is S&P any cleaner? Nah. No. They're both very, very choppy. You look at Nasdaq on the daily. It's been in, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 daily doji candles. I don't like anything on that one.
I'm gonna leave you. I'll see you at 1 PM.
Sweet, man. I'll see you then for New York. See you, man. Bye. Do you use props? Yeah, this is funded top step account here. I'm in shorts. Yeah, it's not a bad place to do it. Let me have a look here. 15. I think 15 will re-grab previous 15 highs if you're gonna see some shorts. can kind of see top step traders here. It's pretty, kind of been 50-50 all day here, really. Even on S&P, 60 long, 40 short. Nasdaq 50-50. Oil's kind of, I know oil, we were looking for that dip back lower. I think it did kind of push down, and now you've bounced back higher again, I believe. Yeah, you had this nice push down, push straight back higher. Maybe come target these sides. Oil's kind of just, yeah, everything's very, very choppy today. It's expected though, you know, even with news today, the closer you get to Easter, it's kind of expected. Trader Fate, do you know how to remove the old contract from the position window? I'm not sure. What do you mean? Which part do you mean, man? I cannot. Why is Top Step closed? Bank holidays, man. Bank holidays. How much do you pay for tax to HMRC? Too much. Way too much. HMRC, isn't that UK? Yeah, that's UK, yeah. Zero to the UK. I don't live in the UK, man. Channel stop saying PTSD from Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah, same as me. Yeah, I know. If we had trailed on Tuesday below every 5-minute low, I think we would have made like around 60 ticks. I think it was something like that. Play's been a game changer for me. Been looking for this for ages. Yeah, good to hear, Alan. Good to hear, man. Love to hear it, man. Love to hear it. I don't know. Sorry, that's okay, man. Yeah, I don't live in the UK, man. You're probably better off there than tax-wise than other places, though. Yeah. Payout calculators, capital gains in the UK. Nah, you don't pay I don't know what it is in the UK, but I assume it's the same. You don't pay capital gains tax on capital that's not yours. So any funding prop firm, you gotta be careful if I give any sort of. Well, we'll be clear. I'm not giving any sort of financial advice here, but you don't pay capital gains tax if you trade for a funding firm because it's not your capital. You're essentially a contractor. It's such a touchy thing. I always so fucking careful with what I say. So people always ask me tax questions. It's not that I don't want to give tax help. I just legally can't. I have to be very careful with what I say. Because I'm not a qualified tax accountant. You can get done for giving tax advice, but just as a fact, yeah, prop firms are not capital gains tax, as far as I'm aware here anyway. Dow has gone up, is it? Is it moving nicer? Yeah, having a little bounce, yeah. If you guys trade indices, I'd look at the Russell more. I used to like the look of the Russell compared to Nasdaq and S&P. I find the Russell moves much cleaner. Like daily is much nicer. I wouldn't say much nicer, but it did break out nicer. Goldie, what are you up to, Goldie? We're going to get this hourly close here in 5 minutes. We're pretty much back to the exact same place when we started this stream, unfortunately, today. Kind of similar to yesterday. But then yesterday we did jump off and you had this huge move. After closing bearish, went bullish, so did we just got in short? But yeah. With the way this hourly has, just grabbed the lows, not really grabbed any of these. Could you push higher? I don't know. How can it be capital gain tax when you never own the capital? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. We're probably going to arrange the news. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. Yes, you do. Yeah, you do. Especially the Russell. Yeah, you do. Yeah, talk to account. Yeah, I mean, you can talk to most accountants for free. That's what's good. You can get you can with a good accountant. You can usually get a free consultation. Just don't say you're a forex sir. If you say you're a forex sir, I'll be like, oh, I don't know about that. Go in there and say, hi, I'm a forex sir. Can I have some tax help? Yeah, you did. The Russell. Good old Russell. 2 minutes to his 30 is going to close. I mean, it's a decent short level, but I just can't take a trade here, unfortunately. I'd love to take a trade here with you guys today, but unfortunately, in here, we're not going to do it.
We just had a big crack of thunder here. I think it's about to pour down.
Really? Yeah, if you got good weather on the weekend, I think Bali's going to be packed. Oh, you should go to... I'll show you. There's a coffee shop on the beach that we went to when it's there. Oh, it's fucking beautiful, man. Bloody beautiful here. Let me show you.
Is it like that one in Penang you went to the first day you got there?
Oh man, I got scammed there. Spent like 15 Australian dollars on a coffee. Here, it's fucking beautiful, man. You go here at like 6 AM or like 7 AM. You watch like the surfer dudes and chill on the bean bags of the coffee. It's such a nice spot, man. It's so nice. It can be a bit of a trek. It depends where you are, but it's fucking stunning. Sit there.
That's on the main beach there, near that old man's place. That's probably I think where I walked to yesterday.
Little Sammys and stuff on the beach. It's so nice, man. It's so nice. Yeah, it's here. There's like a strip of nice like coffee shops up here as well. But then actually going here, it's super quiet. You go early in the morning, man. It's stunning. It's beautiful. Bloody beautiful. Plans community 3 days looking at trading. Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you in, Bradley. Good to have you in, man. Good to have you in. Plenty more to come as well, man. Can you day trade in Australia? That's crazy, yeah. Was that the most recent one, Bradley? Was that the most recent one I posted? I gotta be careful doing that. Gonna be E. See what happens. Yeah, nice. Yeah, if you're short from this level, yeah, definitely break even. Short the level, buy the support. So hourly's just closed there. See, hourly's closed. Very doji. Very, very. 5 minutes just had a nice push down there. Hourly has just closed. Aggressively doji. I think we're gonna have to wait for news today. I don't really want to get trapped in break even loss today. So, Zoom guys will be on for the New York session at around 1 PM London time, and we'll be active for the news as well. So Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. We're just kind of chopping here. I think you just leave price. You need like at least like another hourly breakout. So let it do its thing, and we'll see what New York brings. If you guys aren't in New York, same as Mark, have a good Easter, guys. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you guys again next week. We'll go again. I'll see you then, guys. Enjoy. Bye. Bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up there. Unfortunately, we're just kind of chopping. We got news later on. I would have loved to have had a trade here for you guys for the last day of the week, but unfortunately, it's ranging. We've had a fantastic week though. So if you guys are new to the streams, drop a little like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys same time again Tuesday, every single day next week, 7 till 9 AM London time. See you guys there. Trade the news safe. And I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy. Peace.